Let's learn the correct use of is and are in a sentence. Is usually used to refer one person, thing, animal. That is, it refers to singular subject. Are usually used to refer more than one person, thing, animal. That is, it refers to plural subject. Let's see some examples for better understanding. The apple is red. Here the subject, apple, is referring to singular, that is, it refers to one thing. So, we have to use is. The vegetables are good for health. Here the subject, vegetables, is referring to plural, that is, it refers to group of things. So we have to use are. I hope you got the clarity in using is and are correctly. Let's check your understanding. The flowers dash pretty is or are. Here the subject, flowers, is plural, so the answer is are. Next one, the kids dash playing is or are. If you see in this the subject, kids, is plural, so the answer is are. Geeta dash eating is or are. In this, the subject, Geeta, is singular, so the answer is. The pens dash in the box is or are. Here the subject, pens, is plural, so the answer is are. I hope this video helped you. Like, share, subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.